Hi. So I got a message from Marie as I got home from work saying, hey, do you want to come over tonight? Because. And I was like, sure, but I am not putting my back on work clothes. I'm just staying in my pajamas. So I am in a schlump. Marie decided to dress up.
Yeah, I had not gotten out of my workout clothes. I decided I should, and, then jewelry happened. So anyway.
So you get the full experience.
I mean, I'm still in sweatpants. Anyway.
Okay, anyway.
We have the arcs of the Eye of Leviathan. They're not going to be terribly attractive. They're just the plain paper cover, but...
Yeah, they're still finalizing the cover, although the cover does look really cool.
Yeah, we can't wait for that to get shared. But, until then, you get the exciting visual of a plain paper cover! Isn't it exciting?
It's so exciting. You can put whatever image you want here.
Yeah.